Hey there, my name's Matt Moore and I own Easy Auto Spa. And if you're watching this video, it's because you partnered with us for a ceramic coating on your vehicle. We can't thank you enough for trusting our team to put the ceramic on, to make your vehicle look amazing. And if you're watching this, it's because we'd love to offer you a solution to continue making that look amazing. For our clients, many of them love hand washing their cars. We've provided videos and tutorials and even shopping lists if you want to be someone who hand washes your car. However, if you're someone who maybe doesn't have quite the time or the space to do that at home, but you still want to maintain that ceramic and maintain that factory finish shine, bring that to us. We'd love to partner with you to keep this vehicle looking amazing for as long as possible. What we do with a ceramic maintenance wash is we'll bring the vehicle in, we'll do a full foam bath, we'll check to make sure that there's no weak spots or no ceramic parts that aren't beating up or being as hydrophobic as we'd like them to be. If it needs an iron and decon, we'll do that at this point as well. Once we've got the iron and decon done, we'll give it another bath, get everything looking amazing, do a quick vacuum of the inside, and then make sure that there's nothing else on the outside that needs to be addressed. At that point, we're gonna add C2V3, which is a top coat ceramic that is made by GTechniq to bond with your existing ceramic coating. Very similar to if you buy tires on a vehicle. You need to rotate and balance it. You need to make sure there's no nails in it. You need to maintain it for them to last as long as they can possibly last. Ceramic's the exact same way. With a ceramic maintenance wash, we want to maintain and make sure there's no problem areas or nothing that's failing, but we also want to just make sure it lasts as long as it possibly can. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to one of our team members, check out the links below, and we'll help you get on a maintenance wash program. Whether that's every couple of months, every 6 months, or once a year, we're here to help, and we'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much for trusting our team. Have an awesome day.